Okay, now you see it is 7, it is 8. Actually, here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, write down number of the smallest divisions at 9:30 a.m. between hour hand and minute hand is equal to, who can tell me? Hour hand and minute hand. Okay, there are two hands. How many smallest divisions are there? Can you count it? Okay, can you count it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, you cannot count. Even I cannot count. Okay, very good. So before that, what is to do, Before that, you have to write down, as we don't know. So before that, you have to write down in, write down in 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, our hand travels 5 smallest divisions. Am I right? That they told you that in 1 hour, our hand travels 5 smallest divisions. I gave you an example of 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Okay. In 60 minutes, our hand travels 5 smallest divisions. Therefore, in 30 minutes, our hand travels 5 by 60 into 30 equals to what? 5 by 2 smallest divisions. At first, you have to have this function. Can you please talk to me, all of you? I mean, this is 5 by 2 divisions. Now you count. Here there are 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So we are getting 15 plus 5 by 2. Talk to me. We can easily count it. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Now in 30 minutes, the hour hand has traveled 5 by 2 divisions. Where in 60 minutes, it travels 5 divisions. So can you please calculate? 35 by 2.
So 17.5.
It's okay. You keep it like this. Okay. 1 smallest division subtends an angle of 6 degree at the center. Right? That I also told you. One smallest division subtends an angle of 6 degree. Therefore, 35/2 smallest divisions subtend an angle of 35/2 into 6 degree is equal to what? 105 degree at the center. Our math is done. Now, it is told to express in radian. Radian means what? 1 degree equals to what? Pi by 180 radian. So degree won't be there. 1 degree equals to what? Pi by 180 radian. Is it? Radian. Now please calculate, and that is the answer.
1.832.
1.832. This is the answer. Now let me know. When this math will be given in the exam, if it is given in MCQ, your answer will be like this in MCQ. Okay? It will be you will be told to express it in degree. Now you forget it. Okay, this math. I am giving you another math. Suppose it is 440. Now the math is 440. 440 p.m. Can you do it? 440. This math is done. Now 440. So what will be the figure? 440. Okay, draw the figure. 440 means what? It is 4. It is 5. 440, that means 440. 440 means it is 440 means in this way. Now, does the figure show that it is 440? It is hour hand and it is minute hand. Let me know. Now do it. $440. What will you do? Look at the board. 440 means here it will be 40. Okay. Here it will be 40. So we are getting here 40. Now calculate it. What will be the result? Am I right? At 440. So who can tell me? It is at 4:40 p.m. 4:40 p.m. Okay, let me know how many number of divisions are there between the hour hand and minute hand at 4:40 p.m. Count it.
110 degrees.
Now you have to count it at first. Can you please let me know in this math, this 10 by 3 divisions, where it is? You see, this is 10 by 3 divisions. So we can do one thing, you see, please try to understand. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5 plus 5 equals to 20. I think you are getting me. Total 20 minus 10 by 3. Talk to me. What I have done here? I have start counting from 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. There are 4 5s. So it is 20, but the hour hand has already traveled 10 by 3 smallest divisions. So that 10 by 3 has been subtracted. Are you getting me or not? Okay. Now you see, it is 50 by 3. It is 50 by 3. So we will get here 50 by 3 into 6 degree is equal to 100 degree at the center. So 100 degree equals to what? 100 into pi by 180 radian. Now calculate please. What is the answer?
Sir, 1.745.
1.745 radian. So okay, it's done. Try at home. (8:40 p.m.) Try at home. Okay, and let me know. Have you copied it? Alternative. Okay, formula. Theta equals to 30 hour minus 11 by 2 minute. This is the formula. This is the formula. That is, you can find any angle between the minute hand and hour hand with this formula. Okay, let's see. What was our first math? 9:30. 9:30 a.m. What is meant by this? It is hour and it is minute. Now you put the value. Let me know. 30. What is hour? 9 minus what is the minute? 30. Can you please calculate? By the way, it is degree. Degree. Can you please calculate?
105, sir.
30 into 9, 270 minus 215, 165 degree equals to what? 100. Can you see? Can you see the first math done today? It was 105 degree.
Sir, is it a formula or a like?
It is a formula. So
Then why
you
can't
can,
we use it in exam?
of course, 105 into what? Pi by,
Sir, we can apply this process in question paper.
of course you can. Now please use the calculator. The same math, the same answer you will get as for question number, 11 that I did today. Right? Okay. Now, suppose you see another math. I gave you, what I gave you? 4, let me know, 4:40, right? 4:40 p.m. Now you calculate it, put the value. What is the hour here? Talk to me. Hour is 4 minus 11 by 2, 40. Now please calculate. We are getting here 120 minus, let me know, 220. Is it? That is minus 100 degree. I have given absolute value. That means if it is negative, it will be positive.
Sir, why it will be positive?
Sorry. Absolute value.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is absolute value? It is the absolute value. It has two values, you see. It has two values, x. When x is greater than or equal to 0, it has minus x. That means when x is less than 0. Okay. That means we can give you an example. 3 equals to what? 3. 10 equals to what? 10, right? Yes, but if it is negative, you see, if it is negative, minus 3 equals to what? The question is minus 3 equals to what? What is minus 3? Okay, you consider it here. What is the value of x? Talk to me. What is the value of your x? X is minus 3. Write down. X is minus 3. I am going to compare these two and this. Here, what is the value of x? Can you please talk to me? Value of x is what? Value of x is here minus 3, right? X is here minus 3. And which is less than 0? Which is less than 0? Okay, very good. If it is less than 0, then we can find the value. Less than 0, it is minus. So minus minus x, x is minus 3. For this, it is plus 3. Now, you can again ask me, how does it come? Please try to understand. How does it come? Actually, it is a number line, it is 0. Okay? So, this part, including 0, here, here, this part, including 0, here, is value is x. Have you got it? Is it? And this part, this part, this part. Okay, you have to give here arrow sign. And this part you see here, this value is equal to minus x. Suppose you are getting this point minus 5. Can I get it? But its absolute value will be, minus 5 is equal to, there is a minus in the formula, minus, then x. What is x? Minus 5 is the x. So we are getting plus 10, plus 5. Absolute value, yes.
So can you show the same process for 4 o'clock?
Log.
4 o'clock, 4 a.m. or 4 p.m. at
In
just
this
4
way,
p.m. Yes, sir.
I am going to show you everything. Okay, now suppose it is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. means what? Here, what is the hour? 3 p.m. can be written 3:00 p.m. Right? So 3 p.m. means what? It is 3 hour and it is minute. Do it. 30 into 3 minus 11/2 into 0. Is it okay? So we
Yes.
are getting 90 minus 0. So we are getting 90 degree. 90 degree equals to what? 90 into pi by 180 radian equals to calculator. That is pi by 2. Perhaps you have
Sir,
got it right. Yes.
sir, but if it is no, yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see that day I told you at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. means what? This type of figure, 3 p.m. and it was 90 degree. Can you remember, please, all of you, my dear students? Talk to me. Hello. Now, as we
Yes, sir.
told you, if it is 4 p.m., if it is 4 p.m., then there are, it is 12. So we are getting 5, 5, 5, 5. That is 20 divisions. So 1 division 6 degree, 20 division 120 degree, right? I mean, it is 4 p.m. So you put the value here, 30 into 4 minus 11/2 into 0. There is no minute at 4 p.m. So we are getting 120 degree. Is it okay? You have seen that it is also 120 degree. Okay, let's try for 6 a.m. Let me know. 6 a.m. What will be the result? When it is 6 a.m., Then what will you do? 30 into 6 minus 11 by 2 into 0 equals to what? 180 degree. Okay. Then 180 degree equals to what? 180 into 5 by 180 radian. That is pi radian. It can be given in the example having pi. Okay.
Sir,
MCQ.
can you do
Yes.
12 p.m.?
12 p.m. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
12 p.m. Very good question. 12 p.m. means what? You see, 12. Actually, 12 means what? Can you please let me know? Okay, write down 12 minus 11 by 2 into 0. Okay,
Yes,
equals to
sir.
what? 360 degree. That I told you. If it is more than 180 degree, then you have to subtract the theta. The required angle 360 degree minus 360 degree. Yesterday I told you. If it is more than 180 degree, can you remember? I gave you an example. It is 250 degree, then what you should do? You have to subtract 360 degree minus 250 degree, which was equal to 110 degree. Can you please remember? So we have to subtract 360 this from this 360. So at 12, our angle is 0. Okay, we are coming to that part. Wait. Suppose you have got an angle, suppose 1155. Do it. Thirty into 11 minus 11 by 2 into 55 degree. Now calculate it, all of you, and let me know.
Sir, 27.5.
27.5 degree, right? Okay. Now, if the math is given 250, do it now. 250. 250. What will be the figure? 250. Suppose it is 12, 3. Okay. 250. This is the center. It is 250. Okay, this is 2. It is 3. Please find out.
Sir, 145. 145.
100. Here, 30
Sir,
into,
145 degree. 145.
okay, 11 by 2 into minute 50 degree, right? It is 60 minus what? 25. What will be the result? Talk to me. 275. Is it? Huh? Then equals to what? Minus 215. Is it? Equals to 215 degree. You know who is on this because it is 215 degree. It is 200 and it is an reflex angle, right? That I told you. And you saw today's password was reflex, right? Hello. What I told you, you have to determine the angle less than 180. So it is greater than 180. So your required angle will be, the required angle will be 360 degree minus 215 degree equals to what? 145 degree. Any question from your side? Is it okay to all? Hello, everybody. Actually, not getting you. Okay. What you have thought for your on the next syllabus? Which chapter?
Sir, chapter 4.
Higher math.
Yes, sir.
You will do it at home.
তোমরা কি একটু ইয়াটা বন্ধ রাখবা? আমি বুঝি না কিছু।
Okay. Now, can you please let me know what is theta here? Theta equals to what? Angle, you have to write down angle subtended at the center, comma theta equals to 7 minutes. 7 minutes equals to 7 by 60 degree. 1 degree equals to what? 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. We know S equals to r theta. What is r? R is 540 kilometer. What is theta? Theta is 7 by 60 into pi by 180. Now use the calculator to get the answer. Be quick. Actually, you don't have calculator, right? And you don't know how to calculate it. It's really very, very alarming for me. I'm not feeling good for this. 1.1 kilometer approximately. It's very, very bad. The way you are reading, you don't cooperate. Education is the interaction between the teachers, student, and guardian. Okay. Here, guardians and teachers interact, but they interact for the students, but students don't interact. That's good. Example 8. Yashan travels the arc in 10 seconds by riding a cycle. That's good. You see, important math, very, very important. This is a circular track. What he is doing here, if an arc of the circular path subtends an angle at all, diameter is given 180 meter. It is the diameter. It is 180 meter. The diameter is 180 meter. Okay. And angle here, it is the angle done by, it is given in the question, 28 degree. You please try to understand. So can you write it is 90 meter? As it is diameter 180 meter, so its radius is what? 90 meter?
90 meter.
Okay. So can you write here given D equals to 180 meter? So R equals to 90 meter. We can write, right? D for diameter, R for radius. And you see it is given that the boy Asan traverses. Traverses is one of the synonym of travel. Okay. He takes 10-second time. 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. 10 seconds. What is meant by this? Oh, no need to give it. 10 seconds. I mean, in 10 seconds, suppose it is A, it is B. In 10 seconds, Hasan travels from A to B. Please talk to me. Suppose he was at first here. Okay. And he is riding a cycle. After 10 seconds, he saw that he had been at the point B. Please try to understand, right? So, what is the speed? Speed means what? Talk to me. Speed means what? The most important math in the whole book. What is the meaning of speed? Aha, distance by?
Distance.
Distance by?
Distance by time.
By time.
Distance by time. That's good. Now you see in this question, time is given. Time is what? 10 seconds? Right? Talk to me. Time is given as by 10 seconds. But distance is not given. The distance means what? His distance is AB. This AB is to find at first. So finding AB, we have to think here AB is to be considered as by S. It is S. S equals to R theta. S equals to R theta. We have R and we have theta. So very good. We are going to find S. That means here you write down the angle. Always you have to write down the angle subtended at the center of the circle, comma theta equals to 28 degree. 28 degree means what? 28 into pi by 180 radian. Talk to me. Now you see again, we know AB equals to what? S. S equals to what? R theta. So what is the value of R? R is 90, theta is 28, 28 into pi by 180. It is radian, but as R is 90 meter, so I'm going to write down meter. Please calculate it. Without any hesitation, calculate.
So 43.98.
98, right? 43.98 meter approximately, as you have used pi. Now, we should not forget what is to find here. Speed equals to what? Distance by time. What is the distance here? Distance is, this is the distance, this is the distance. So what is the distance here? 43.98, right? What is the distance? What we have found here? We have found this stuff, this part. So this is the distance, 43.98. 43.98 by what? 10 seconds. So now unit is meter per second. It is meter, it is second. So meter per second is equal to what? 4.4 meter per second approximately. That is the speed of riding a bicycle is 4.4 meter per second. And it is actually, normal calculation that our speed, cycling speed is about 5 or 4.4 meter per second. Okay. Now, if you are told, suppose you are told to convert it into kilometer per hour, can you find it? Suppose you are given in the exam, they express the speed in kilometer per hour. What will you do? Huh? 4.4 meter per second. Who can tell me? You have to express it into kilometer per hour. And at the first question, question number A, you will be given, suppose 4 meter per second, express it into kilometer per hour, convert it into. Okay, not a matter, what will you do? You have calculator, you can find it with the help of calculator. Okay, kilometer per hour. So what is the way to convert meter into kilometer? We normally divide by 1000. Talk to me. We normally divide by 1000. Meter by 1000 equals to kilometer. Now it is 1 second. 1 second means what? Let me know. This 1 second will be divided by 3600 second. That is this 1 second. It is 1 second. You see, it is 1 second. It is to be divided by 3600. Now it is kilometer per hour. But this 3600 will be in the numerator. So you will do like this at a time. It is not necessary for doing this part, is not necessary for doing. You can do it at a time. Now what is the result? Can you please tell me? Let me know. Everybody.
$15.84.
15.
Yes, sir.
15.84 kilometer per hour. That is, in 1 hour, we can go about 15.84 by cycling. If it is for walking distance, can you please let me? What is normal? It would be 5 km per hour walking speed. It is the cycling speed, and you see for rickshaw. Okay, you will see the speed of rickshaw, not maximum 820, but it lies between 15 to 20 km per hour speed of rickshaw. So suppose per hour, suppose you will go to from Dhaka to 1 kilometer, 15 kilometer means what? 15 kilometer means from here to suppose Purvachal. So you'll think that the rickshaw will take 15 minutes and 1 hour to go 15 kilometer. The rickshaw will, or the rickshaw puller will take about 1 hour to travel 15 kilometers. Okay, now you see another math. Example 7, it was done. It was that math, 11 centimeter and 7 centimeter, or the angle was 90 degree. That guy did it. Now, this is question number 6. Example number 6. You have to do it. Suppose it is Dhaka and it is suppose Jamalpur. Dhaka and Jamalpur. You know the angle between Dhaka and Jamalpur? Who can tell me? It is 2 degree. Okay. Now, as you know, it is 6440 kilometers. 6440 kilometer center. Now, please let me know what is the distance between Dhaka and Jamalpur. Time 1 minute. What is to find here? You have to find this. You have to use S equals to R theta. Find it, theta. At first, convert theta into radian. Will I tell you or you will do? Here theta equals to what? 2 degree. Pi by 180 radian.
না না স্যার এখন দেওয়া হয়নি স্যার স্যার দিব স্যার আজকে ক্লাসটা একটু শেষ হোক এই জিনিসটা দিব হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আজকে ক্লাসটা একটু যখন শেষ হয়ে যাবে না তখন দিব এখন দিলেই স্যার বাচ্চারা আর আসবে না যদি আসতো তাও আর আসবে না আপনার স্যার
Everybody, it is what? Pi by 90 radian. Now we know S equals to R theta. R equals to what? 6440 kilometer into what is theta? Pi by 90. Okay. R theta kilometer. Can you use the calculator, all of you? Is it 224.8 kilometer approximately?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is like 224.798.
Okay. So this is from example. Now you see example 5. A giant wheel makes 40 revolutions to cover a distance of 1.75 kilometer. Wow. What is the radius? What is given here? It is a wheel. It is a wheel. Its radius is R. You have to find this R. Okay. So what is its circumference? Can you please tell me? Circumference equals to what? 2 pi R. Right. So when actually it turns for one time, it revolves one time, that means it travels a distance equal to its circumference, right? So total distance is given 1.75 kilometer. So you let it meter, R meter. So it is 2 pi R meter. 2 pi R meter. 1.75 kilometers. Suppose it is 1.75 kilometer. That means what? You multiply it by 1000. Let me know what will be the result. 1.75 kilometer equals to what? 1750 meter. Is it? If we multiply this kilometer by 1000, we'll get 1750 meter. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
it is a wheel. This wheel has to traverse or travel this 1750 meter. In this way, it will revolve, right? Okay, and at last it will go there. So question is that what is the radius? And it makes about 40 revolutions. What? Here the wheel makes 40 turns. 40 revolutions. Okay, that means 40 times. Okay, 40 times it will what? Revolve 40 times. So revolving on time, it travels. Can you let me know? Revolving one time, the wheel travel or traverses 2 pi R meter. What I have told you? 2 pi R meter. 2 pi R meter. Am I right? Talk to me. If the wheel revolves on time, then it travels a distance equal to its circumference. I told you. I have been telling you for last 2 days. Revolving on time, a wheel traverses a distance equal to its circumference. So you see, give emphasis here, it is on time and it is the circumference 2 pi R, right? So here it is given 40 times. Write down, therefore revolving 40 times. 40 times the wheel traverses 40 into 2 pi R. 40 into 2 pi R meter. That means 80 pi r meter. So it is equal to, you see, 40 times. By revolving 40 times, it travels 80 pi r meter. So we can write here, it is 80 pi r meter. Okay. So from here, it is also 80 pi r. But it is given that it is 1750. So according to the question, we can write down, according to the question, we can write down this 80 pi r is equal to 1750. From here, you have to find r, radius of the wheel, by 80 pi. Can you please use a calculator to let me know? Actually, you the students don't use the calculator. I cannot tolerate it. I'll talk to your parents.
6.96.
I'll talk to your parents, each and every parents. 6.963. 6.963 radius is meter approximately. Now please try to understand, all of you. When you will divide it, it is like that: 1750 divide first bracket 80 into 3.1416 in this way. Okay? Or you can divide it like this. You can divide like this: 1750 divide 80 divide 3.1416. Any of this way. Okay, you have to, any of these ways you have to follow. I think it is okay to everybody. Now, all of you get it. Draw a circle. Have you drawn? Now you see, this is the center. It is any radius. It is O. It is A. Any radius I have considered. Okay. Now, taking the measurement of the radius, we are going to, it is P, suppose. So what we have done here, you see, it is R. It is R. Okay. And it is also R. It is also R. Are you getting it or not? This is the question. Here in this question, we are getting proof. OA equals to OP equals to arc AP is equal to R. Therefore, angle AOP equals to what? Talk to me. Angle AOP equals to what? Hello, everybody. Okay, can you tell or you cannot tell? You let me know this here. Sir, we don't know. Or if you know, please answer me. Anyway, it is 1 radian. I told you several times. What is radian? The angle formed at the center of a circle by an arc equal to its radius is called a radian. Can you remember, please? This angle has been formed here. This angle has been formed at the center, okay, by an arc AP, which is equal to the radius of the circle. So can I tell that angle AOP is a radian? And a radian means 1 radian. Now talk to me, where you have not got it. I request you for the last time, if you don't cooperate, forget it. It is the last class, or now it is the last time. Okay, so goodbye. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now what you want? Want to
Yes,
cooperate?
sir. Yes.
Now, for the last time, don't you like to cooperate?
Yes, sir.
So what you are doing? I don't know. Are you busy with some other works?
No, sir.
Oh, you are busy with some other works. Good. So
No,
that is the
sir.
question. This angle UP equals to 1 radian, but you can tell me why. That means you don't follow my class. It is totally very bad. Now you see, I have taken another point here. Suppose it is B. I have taken another point. It is B. And you know, it is also R, right? Now, very good. We mark it as by angle theta. Any problem? And you see, arc AB, write down OB. Here OB is equal to R. And it is the most important part. Arc AB is equal to S. Now, this part is now wholly and fully, it is S. Now, let me know where you have not got it. That day I told you a formula. The angles formed at the center are proportional to their arcs. That means we can write here, you see the most important part, arc, important, arc AB, sorry, arc AB by arc AP. What the angle has made by arc AB at the center? What the angle has made or has been made by the arc AB at the center? Angle AOB. And what the angle has been made by the arc AP at the center? AP, angle AOP. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Angle AOB has been made by AB. Angle AOP has been made by AP, right? Okay, now can we put the value here? What is AB? AB equals to what? Arc AB. Arc AB is S. Arc AB. What is arc AP? Arc AP equals to R. What is angle AOB? Angle AOB is here theta degree, theta radian, theta radian. And what is angle AOP? Angle AOP is 1 radian. You see it is 1 radian. Okay. So this radian will be omitted. This radian will be omitted. So we'll be left with S by R is equal to theta. Radian omitted. So there is no value of 1 here. Now from here, can you write down the yes? It is S equals to R theta. This proof will be given in the exam and you will count the number of blades of the fan.